Alright, here's something you don't really see every day. Whole complex of late 2000s Bryant Preferred Heat Pumps. At least I think these are heat pumps. Are they? Oh no. Yep, they are. This one's a 2008 1.5 ton. This is probably another 08 1.5 ton. Scroll sounds nice. That's in cool mode. There's another one. This is an 07. Another 08 1.5 ton. This one's rattly as hell. Still got a nice roll sound. It's got a sound blanket as all of these boards had standard. It's 08 2.5 ton. And here's this last one I'm gonna check out because the rest of the complex is just more preferreds. 08 1.5 ton. Nice. That's amazing. It's definitely legible. It is legible.